Okay, here I am again on the mighty Fraser River, and what I'd like to point out is on the other side of the river there is the old Albion Ferry terminal on the south side of the Fraser River, and I'm on the north side right now where the terminal was on this side, and the Fraser River was crossed by ferry. You had to use a ferry. There were no bridges in this area. Now there are bridges in this area, one in Mission, one in Haney, and other ones closer to Vancouver, Burnaby, etc. So now you can cross on a bridge on your car. In the old days you had to take a ferry boat, and they did carry the passenger cars as well as walking passengers across this river at this point. And I did notice once they shut that down maybe 20 years ago or so, I'm not sure, I don't remember the exact date that they shut it down, but I did note that when I was a kid, just for fun, we used to come and I guess this was after I started driving, we used to come and take a ferry ride for a little bit of diversion and excitement. So we take the ferry over to the other side, which is Langley, and then come back to this part, which is Albion. So that probably took a couple hours and was our mode of excitement at that time. All right. So again, okay, the ferry, I happened to notice the ferry boat up on the other side of Vancouver Island, still in use, being used at a fish farm, salmon fish farm, on the other side of Vancouver Island in Tassus Inlet, in that area. It was used as a utility boat, work boat, transporting supplies, etc., I believe. But it was there. I took some pictures of it when I was there. We were out on the boat and passed the fish farm, and it was pointed out that that was the old Albion Ferry. So if you wonder where the old ferry went, there it is. It's still in use. Okay, thank you. Gary Erdog on the mighty, deadly, famous Fraser River. Interesting nunchuck right there. Where is it? Right there. You see it on top of that piling? You find them all over the place here. Okay, over and out till the next report.